provide innovative and reliable solutions to drive the global energy transition. Developing world-class solutions that support predictive maintenance decisions in the electrical sector by increasing asset reliability and availability. AQTech has more than 12 gigawatts of monitored installed power, including hydroelectric and wind assets, providing its solutions to meet the needs of the most demanding customers around the world. Over the past 6 years, our revenue has increased 25 times, offering excellent solutions and relying on a team of specialists who, in addition to technical expertise, meet the needs of customers regardless of their geographic location. We have invested in research and development since our creation, seeking to keep up with the evolution of the sector and develop technologies according to the demand of the market. When it comes to innovation, you always have to be one step ahead. Know more, know before.